Hello guys, welcome to my channel again, and today we are going to make some benzoic acid. Benzoic acid is a very strong disinfectant. That's because it is highly toxic to microorganisms, and it's also a preservative like sodium benzoate. Warning: benzoic acid and oxalic acid are corrosive and toxic. Wear gloves when handling chemicals. This is our reaction. Benzoic acid has a very low solubility in cold water. So, when reacting sodium benzoate with oxalic acid, benzoic acid will precipitate out. Actually, you can use other acids stronger than benzoic acid, such as HCl, HNO3, or H2SO4. So, let's get started. Taking out the pocket of sodium benzoate. Then we should measure out 10 grams of sodium benzoate into a beaker. Then to sodium benzoate, we add 150 ml of water, just enough to dissolve all the sodium benzoate. Sodium benzoate needs a little time to dissolve in water, so we place it on the desk and prepare oxalic acid solution to save time. But soon I found out, because of the weather, my oxalic acid got into pieces.
Oh no!
So I closed it up and gave it a very good shake. Measuring out 7 grams of oxalic acid into the beaker. And adding enough water to dissolve all the oxalic acid. Now you can see, the moment we add sodium benzoate to oxalic acid, benzoic acid precipitates out immediately. We give it a good mix to make the reaction go as much as possible. Then we set up for a simple gravity filtration. I poured the solution into the filtration funnel to separate unreacted oxalic acid and sodium benzoate. I washed the beaker with some cold distilled water to transfer all the benzoic acid into the filtration funnel. Then I washed all the product with some cold distilled water. I waited it to dry as much as possible. Then I transferred all the filter cake into a new clean beaker. Benzoic acid has a very large solubility in hot water, so I added nearly 250 ml of boiling water into the beaker. But I found it didn't make sense, so I added another 50 ml of boiling water to dissolve all the benzoic acid. But soon I found out the heat in the water was not enough, so I gave the rest of the job to my heating machine.
A few moments later.
I gave it a little more stirring, then I took it out for recrystallization. As you can see, some beautiful needle-like crystals precipitate out. And again, I set up for filtration. I wash the beaker with water to get as much crystals as I can. Then I transferred all the benzoic acid into a petri dish. Now we should wait for 2 days for the product to dry. After drying, you can see these beautiful crystals. There must be a bit loss when transferring the product beaker to beaker, so the yield may be a bit low. With my calculation, we were expected to get 8.5 grams of benzoic acid. Here we have 4.74 grams, which means the yield is about 56%. Thank you guys for watching, and the next video I will show you how to make benzene. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe my channel for more interesting videos.